A real README.md is usually the very first thing anyone sees on a project, and a genuine CONTRIBUTING.md tells contributors exactly how to help. In this video you'll structure both real documents properly. This real structure, name, description, install steps, is what a genuine visitor actually needs in the first 10 seconds. Real usage instructions and an explicit license are what genuinely make a project usable and legally clear to others. This real, explicit contribution guide removes genuine guesswork for anyone wanting to submit a real fix or feature. A real README needs a description, install steps, usage, and a license at minimum. A genuine CONTRIBUTING.md removes guesswork for anyone wanting to submit a fix. Good documentation is often the real deciding factor in whether a project gets used at all. Rewrite a real README.md for one of your own projects using this structure. Ready to put everything from this series together, shipping one real feature?